Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Technology. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix WhatsApp is crashing or is not opening on your Android mobile phone. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to go to your settings, and after that go to the app and notification. After that click on app setting and find here WhatsApp application. Now select WhatsApp and try to force to stop. Now what you have to do, now go to your menu and again try to open WhatsApp application. Still if it is not working, then just try to reboot your Android mobile phone. And as you can see, it's rebooting, so you have to wait for a few seconds. So try to open WhatsApp once again. So as you can see, still it is not working. So what you have to do, you need to go to your setting once again. And go to app and permission. Go to apps, settings. And just uninstall this app from your Android mobile phone. Just like that. And click on this uninstall button. Also you can just drag and drop to uninstall like this. So after uninstall, just go to your Play Store once again and search WhatsApp and install once again. So after install WhatsApp application on your phone, just click on open. Now as you can see, it is opening successfully on my Android phone. So now you have to reconfigure the WhatsApp application with your number. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.